Have you ever wondered how those beautiful garden shapes are created? Welcome to the Art of Topiary, a centuries-old gardening technique where plants are pruned and trained into artistic forms. If you've ever been curious about how to create your own topiary, this guide is for you. Before we delve into the steps, let's understand what you'll need. To begin your topiary journey, you'll need a few basic tools including hand pruners, wire frames, and of course, a suitable plant. Boxwood or yew are excellent choices due to their dense and slow-growing nature. But remember, topiary is not a one-time affair. It requires patience and regular maintenance to ensure your plant retains its shape. Now that you're armed with the knowledge of what you need, it's time to get started. Creating a topiary can seem daunting, but it's actually quite straightforward. Let's break it down. First, you need to select the right plant. Evergreens like boxwood or holly are popular choices due to their dense and slow-growing foliage. Next, decide on a shape. A simple sphere or cone is a good starting point for beginners. Now, it's time to set up your wireframe, which will guide your plant in growing into the desired shape. The pruning stage comes next. Cut back the plant until it starts to fill out the frame. Remember, this is a gradual process, so don't be in a rush. Trim your plant regularly to maintain the shape and encourage denser growth. And the final part of the process, patience. It takes time for your topiary to fully form, so sit back, relax, and watch your garden masterpiece take shape. And there you have it, your very own topiary masterpiece. With time and care, it will grow into a stunning feature in your garden. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We dove into the world of topiary, explored essential tools, and walked through a simple creation process. Remember, patience is key in topiary. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.